What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another episode. In today's video we're going to discuss about finally breaking up this trend line after 7 months. Is this bullish for Bitcoin and how could it play out in the future? Also we have some adoptional news, so stay tuned and now let's begin. So to sum it up, we have been here around 7 months or so and we are making lower low constantly on the Bitcoin chart, and as we can see right now Bitcoin showed pretty good strength breaking up this level of resistance over here, and also we managed to have a support above this 20 exponential moving average. Also followed with the low volume we managed to break this. This is very important to mention because if we bring on the Messari real volume through 24 hours, we can see that the Bitcoin is trading above $1 billion, which is very important. Now the price is pretty much stable over here, and what do we need in order to start the new bull market from here? Also, more things that we need is to hold above this trend line. Why? Because we don't like to see some kind of a fake out over here and get back in this bearish trend line over here. So what we need to see over here is to lock one more candle above this trend line, which is tomorrow's candle, and start to building up new highs over here, and taking out those highs will diminish the whole bearish trend line over here. The RSI is acting pretty well over here. We are still not in overbought zone, but this is very good because we are consolidating above this line over here, above 50 level, which means we are on the bullish side. Now also one of the important indicator is also MACD. If we bring it over here, we can see that we are on bullish side and we have a lot of space to grow over here, which means that it will push the price further on the upside. What brought me more bullisher than ever is that we are finally above 20 weekly exponential moving average. This moving average is very important to determining the Bitcoin where could it go. So for now it's very important to stay above it. We have 4 to 5 days more to end this week, so if we end this week above this moving average over here, I am very bullish on the Bitcoin, with that we could potentially start a new bull market after this close over here. And for now we can say that we are starting to make some kind of a bull market, bull run, so make sure you observe this if we're going to close above this trend line and moving average. Again, if you're trading this, make sure you are waiting for confirmation to close above this trend line. If we switch on the 1 hourly chart, we can see that the Bitcoin is forming some kind of a bullish flag over here, which means it will go like this and finally break on the upside and start taking out those levels on the upside. So what we want right now, Bitcoin to retest this trend line maybe and continue rally on healthy way. But even so, if we continue to going without retesting is totally okay, because we will have this 20 exponential moving average on the daily chart to push us more on the upside and support, provide us some kind of a level of support over here. Now also it's very important to mention BLX chart, which is giving us some kind of a long-term perspective on the Bitcoin channel over here. Bitcoin found a support around here on this trend line that we are having since the Bitcoin's birth. So we can see we are finding some kind of a bottom over here and respecting this channel, which means we could expect next bullish phase. More bullish news and adoptional news for the Bitcoin price. CME's options on Bitcoin futures pass regulatory approval and go live. Almost every single week we have acceptance for the Bitcoin and regulatory approvals. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and follow this kind of news pretty much on daily basis, because we are uploading there daily on every single week, so make sure you check this news. CME has received necessary regulatory approval and has launched its new Bitcoin future options of the day. Listen this now. CME Bitcoin options trade 2.3 million in debut. BTC price hits 2-month high. Bitcoin futures options from CME Group saw volume in excess of 2.3 million on the product's first day of public trading, the company has confirmed. So this is very good because this follows the BACT also. BACT had a pretty low volume on the beginning and now it's hitting the all-time high with the millions of dollars. So this is very good. We do need time in order to see Bitcoin surge on those platforms, but it will happen steadily and surely. And if you thought that's it, you are wrong. Bitcoin options launch imminent as CME open interest hits 7-month high. So as you can see, guys, Bitcoin is killing it. Make sure you invest a little bit in Bitcoin. Yes, this is financial financial advice whatsoever. Bitcoin is here to stay and Bitcoin will grow eventually, especially when we have so much interest in the Bitcoin from the side of the institutional investors and big heads into the Wall Street and the USA also. The same thing applies for the altcoins. We can see that the Ethereum is finally on 152, XRP 22 cents, finally above 21 cents level of resistance, and the Bitcoin Cash $300, Bitcoin SV shitcoin 230, 41%, wow. Litecoin $55, EOS 3.3, Binance Coin 15.6, and Monero, as it's in top 10, $60 per one Monero. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick update and news and technical analysis on the Bitcoin price. If you like this kind of videos, hit that like and subscribe button. Let us know in the comment section down below also what would you like to see in the next videos. I will surely listen to you and make another video. Until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.